Hey Achievers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Kisha, your financial freedom coach, and today we're talking about debt avalanche versus your debt snowball, because you're sick of debt and I'm sick of it. I'm sick of hearing about it, and I want you to be done with it so that you can invest your money and make money, make passive income. So that's what we're talking about today. So let's stay to the end for a special announcement. So let's jump into our money affirmation of the day. So I'm looking at my budget bestie planner. I am worthy of financial success. I am worthy of financial success. To me, that means that anything money related, it's for me. So I'm going to pay off all my debt. I'm going to make more money. I'm going to save more money. I'm going to invest more money, and I'm going to have more money. I am worthy of financial success. Let's go on to the lesson for today, which is debt snowball versus debt avalanche. Which one should you choose? I highly recommend picking one and sticking to it. If you're not paying off your debt fast enough, it's probably because you're using the wrong one for your personality type. So let's get into it. Let's talk about it, Achiever. So what is your personality type? Are you a person who prefers to have a smaller number of things to manage? If you just had 2 or 3 things, you'd feel better? Or is it that just the total amount is just too much? So too much debt in total, right? So maybe if you have $50,000, it's just like, that's just too much. Even if it's a high number of creditors. What would you prefer? Would you prefer to just have 2 accounts that you're paying on? You don't really care about the balance as much, just the number of accounts lower? Or you prefer to just get that balance as small as possible, even if you have 20 different creditors? Which one would you prefer? Put that in the comments. I really want to know. Okay, now, debt snowball. Now, you've heard of debt snowball. I know you've heard of it because some of those other gurus out there talk about snowball a lot, but it's not the only option for you. So if we look at the Budget Bestie Planner, you'll see all the details on the snowball. So this one prioritizes the number of balances. So this way we want to reduce the number of creditors that we have the fastest. So if I have 20 creditors, I don't want 20 creditors. So I'm going to focus on reducing the number of creditors. So to do that, I'm going to list all of my debts from smallest amount owed to the largest amount. And then I'm going to pay as much as possible on those smallest debts. So let's say I have a credit card and it only has $500 on it. Well, if I can, I'm going to just pay that one off first. I'm going to pay my minimum monthly payments on all the debts. I'm not going to skip any. And then I'm going to pay the one with the least amount owed first, because that's going to help me reduce the number of creditors that I have. You like that one? I like that one. All right, then you're just going to keep doing that same thing until you eventually pay them all off. That's why it's called a snowball. So you're going to start small and you're going to just pay off from the least amount owed to the highest amount owed. What do you think about that one? That's what I did. Okay, I used the debt snowball because I wanted to see that I only had 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 to go to pay off. That just helped me to stay motivated. But you need to figure out what's going to help you stay motivated. All right, now, so let's talk about debt avalanche, because this one's a little bit different and you may not have heard of it. But this one is all about paying the cards or debts that have the highest interest first. So that's how you're going to prioritize those. Put them in a list, and of course you're going to use your debt payment tracker, because the debt payment tracker, so if you look on the screen here, you'll see the debt payment tracker, and then you can list each of your creditors, and you can write down that interest rate and how much you owe, and that way you can prioritize your payments every month. So you're going to list those debts from highest interest rate to the smallest interest rate. And then you're going to pay the highest amount possible on the debt with the highest interest rate. Simple enough, right? And then you're just going to pay the minimum payment on all other debts as you would with the debt snowball. So I want you to really focus on paying off those balances with the highest rates, because the balances with the highest rates are going to cost you the most money. At the end of the day, you want to pay as least as possible. So this way allows you to pay less in interest if you prioritize paying off the ones with the highest interest rates. But again, it depends on your personality type. What's going to keep you motivated? What's going to make you pay more money towards your debt? Which one? And you're going to continue to repeat this process until all your debts are paid off. And then we will have a hallelujah. Praise Jesus. And thank you so much for watching. Now, over on my website, there are plenty of free resources, which I'm sure you're already aware: budgets, investing guides, videos. But you can use this discount code off of anything on my website for a limited time. So be sure to go there now at LaKishaSimmons.com and use this discount code. And thank you that our debts are paid off, and we're going to make social media posts. We're going to say we're debt free, and we don't have this, and we don't have that. And then you're going to feel good about yourself, and you can do it. I did it. I had student loans. Look, I have a bachelor's, a master's, and a PhD. Do you think I did all that without student loans? And I paid them all off. Okay, so I paid my student loans in full, and you can do the same thing. Hopefully this video has helped you. Please, please, please subscribe if you're enjoying this content, so that I know that somebody's out there watching, somebody's out there listening. And make sure you pick up your Budget Bestie Planner, and you can get that on Amazon, the Wealthy Achiever Budget Bestie Planner, or you can go to LaKishaSimmons.com to get all the goodies. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Bye.